So we have a main component. Let's try to also break that down a little further. Let's at least break it down into basically sidebar and everything else. So I would say everything to the right of the sidebar is one component that we will then break down into even more components. So let's start with just those two. So let's create two more components. I'm going to call the sidebar, and I think let's call all the rest of that let's see, I'm pretty sure I wanted to call it chat or something. Let's see what I call this. Yeah, let's call everything else chat. Seems good. All right. New component called sidebar with a capital S.js. Import React from React. We could also import component from React. Create a new class called sidebar, which extends component. Before I forget, export default sidebar. I need a render method. My render method needs to return some JSX. I will make a div with a class of sidebar. And I will just put the word sidebar in it, again, just so that there's something on the screen so I can tell that my component is really there. And once we've done that, we can import that into main, not into app, but into main. So import sidebar from ./sidebar. And inside main, I'll replace the word main with a sidebar tag. Now my app looks like this. Not much interesting about that, but there it is. Then we want to do the same thing with another brand new component called chat. So let's make another new file called C chat.js. Import React and component from React. Make a class called chat, which extends component. Before I forget, export default chat. Make a render method, which returns some JSX. I will make a div with a class name of chat, and I will put the word chat in there just so I know that it really is on the page. Once I'm done with that, I will import it into main, import chat from ./chat. I've already got sidebar in here. I will just put chat right alongside it. So there's my chat component, there's my main component on the right, and I see chat, sidebar, and chat in the browser. And I like to always have my DevTools open, so I'll go ahead and open them just to make sure there's nothing on the console. But everything seems fine. So add sidebar and chat components.